So, do you see this picture?
Yes.
Are you familiar with that?
Yes.
Do you know this man?
Yes.
Who is he?
The famous actor in Presenter.
Actor, famous actor? Popular singer? Maybe, I don't know. Producer, great. Nurlan? Huh? Yes. The show, right? What's the name? Do you know? Okay, night show. Let's do it this way. This guy? Korean team? BTS? What about this man? It is? Driver. Okay. Do you know like this photo, this man, who are driving?
I think it's show speaking, connected.
Singing, speaking, interview show maybe.
Yes.
Who's here then? Interviewer.
Yes.
Maybe what presenter also, and there are. Okay. So the show. Our main topic may be the show. So what do you think? What is our topic? Entertainment show. Yes, close. Reality show, guys. Reality. The topic is reality show. You almost got it, okay? So now, in this lesson, we will learn new vocabulary, of course, right? And to practice speaking with new vocabulary, to work in a group, and demonstrate grammar by doing it. That's our goal of today's class. That's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, the vocabulary, broadcast. Do you know these words?
Look like light.
It's live translation. Yes. Okay, in English? When you are going live on television or radio or TikTok nowadays, right? What about this?
An audience that watch in the screen TV shows.
Person who watch shows.
People who watch TV or particular program, shows, videos, yes. Great. Sorry. Participants. Adina?
People who participate in some reality shows.
Okay, that's it. Other options?
When people or actors show a video or films, they participate to the.
People who takes part. Takes part is our phrasal verb. Means the same. Participate in something. The ones who joins the activity. For example, you are participating in this lesson, right? Yes, great. Attract. What does attract mean?
When people are interested in something and it attracts.
Yes. Aydana, do you want to say? Do you want to share something?
Attract is when the people enjoy the show and love to watch.
They enjoy and love to watch something,
The
right?
video is attracted viewers.
Okay, great. Make people want to watch or visit something. Yes, you got it. Receive.
Someone
1 minute, Amina. Okay.
when someone gives you something from other country or deliver something, you receive it
Yes.
like package.
One way to go. Also, another options.
When you get something, when you take something.
Get something, take something. Okay. Do we have another option? Let's close. No?
Yes.
Okay. To get something, that's right. For example, money or packaging. Message, a phone call, right? That's correct, guys. And I believe
to destroy the problem.
Destroy the problem, okay, to solve the problem.
To find the answer to something.
Wow, that was the exact definition. To find an answer to something, to a problem, to situations, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, do you see on your student's book, page number 34, you have a text. You have text. We're going to do this way. We're going to divide into groups. Arjan, I will kindly ask you to move there. You'll be one group with Martina and Martina. 3 of you will be one group. And 3 of you will be one group. Your task, you read your paragraph, then explain to your classmates. How we are going to do? We're going to do this way. The first paragraph will be yours. The second paragraph, do you see guys? That's the first part, right? That's the second part, and that's the third part. The first paragraph will take you. The second paragraph is yours, and the last paragraph, very tricky paragraph, is yours, right? Very tricky one. So I'm gonna give you 3-4 minutes to read, and then we will have time to explain to each other. You will go to your classmates. I will help you to change your seats and explain to each other.
Okay.
Do you have questions about this one?
No.
So read and then explain. Now take 4 minutes, even 3.5 minutes to read. If you have questions, please ask. First paragraph. Second. Or maybe words you don't understand, please ask. Abandoned, when for example, it means town, the town where is no people, all people left this town, and the town is destroyed. It means abandoned.
Look like Saduakas.
Yes, Other words you don't know, please ask. Go ahead. You have understanding of this? Yes, great. Okay, you may discuss with each other. If you have done, you are free to discuss with each other. You have 1 minute. "40 seconds to discuss. In English. explain everything. The first about the first reality show.
The first reality show Candid Camera was about ordinary people in funny situations.
Great. Thank you, Martin. Thank you. Great.
In second paragraph, say about children's show teenagers show their life in broadcast. It's called Kid Nation.
Great. What about the third paragraph?
Kid Nation hasn't got a second sentence and why?
So that continues this second part. Now, great. Arushan, you will stay. Madina, I'll ask you to move there. To change with Kurkem. And Madina, I will ask you to change with Amina. Amina, go to the first group. Please stand and change their place. So here we have, do you see? Who is first paragraph? Who's second? Second paragraph, it's you, and the third paragraph is you. There is, I'm gonna ask you to change with Adina. Change with Adina. All three paragraphs are here, and other three paragraphs are here, right? Yes. Now, it's your time to explain. Kurkem, please, listen to the instruction. The second instruction. You have to explain to your classmates your paragraph. Great. I will give you like 6 minutes. 2 minutes for each person. You may start. Come here. You may just turn back. Go back. I'll help you.
Was about ordinary people in kind camera. And second one is became a huge success. They adopted people.
Are you reading or explaining? With your words, okay?
People do these activities one time, 5 minutes. They have to do the activity. But now, most reality shows are cruel and ignorant. Like Big Brother nowadays.
And something like shame, something to shy about. Something cringe, you know, you feel like bad thing, right? Have you done it first one? Yes,
In the reality show,
Take long time.
40 days. It's for teenagers and young
For young teenagers. Have you asked questions? Are you sure that, for example, Alana understands your point? Let's ask her questions because we have time. Make sure that your roommates understand the text, right? In English?
The young people try to organize
What is organize their life? life without others. To live without, right? How to live without parents.
Everywhere, following cameras.
Please continue.
Why people want to stay
And every decision and practice who solve problems and make
In English.
The group choose this person.
they had a chance for space.
You have like 1 minute. No, you're explaining, right? Please speak louder so they can hear you, okay? You may help to each other, guys. The TV company didn't make a second series of kidnation. That's the continuously part of the second. What does it say? Do you mind helping? Let's do it.
The TV company didn't make a second series because after first series,
People were shocked, right? So why they didn't make a second series? Because people were so shocked. They didn't like it. Why they didn't like it?
because
Have you done?
the show
Have
attracts big audiences and the kind of that broadcast made a lot of money. And a TV show, the more they show.
Did all of you did each paragraph of the text? Did you well explain it? Do you have questions about the text? What about you?
Yeah, understand.
We understand that. Okay, the time is up. Third group. So I think we have like some gaps with third paragraph. Galhar, Madina, I don't know. Please listen. Who wants to explain the third paragraph? Madina, please.
The TV company didn't make second series of Kid Nation because a lot of people think that it's very wrong to use children for fun and for profit. And the show was very cruel, and but it gets a lot of attention, and it attracts a lot of people, and companies get a lot of money because of this.
Okay, thank you. Madina, why the company gets a lot of money? Or why they attract the attention viewer? Why people watch this show?
Because this show made money.
Okay, why? Because it was what?
Problem
With what? Because it was embarrassing and and shock situations, right? Okay, now, you may change with your place. You may go back to your places. So, there is a task. You have to choose the correct answer. That's multiple choice questions. I'll give you 3 minutes to do this task according to the text you got. Okay? 3 minutes. The first is the early reality TV shows were only for adults, entertaining, embarrassing for participants. Yes, yes. Just ABC. So check your understanding, right? Please. People take part means participate, right? Participate in the show. Why? Because they are funny. A lot of people watch it. They receive money. Shh. Do it individually. Have you done?
Yes, it is.
What is it? The first question. The early reality shows were entertaining. The first reality shows were entertaining. The early reality means like the first show. They were
Only for adults?
yes, they were entertaining only for adults, right? And then for children they were embarrassing. Great, man that. People take part in reality shows because
They receive money.
They receive money. In Kid Nation, the TV company gave money to
All the young people.
all the young people, right? And Kid Nation shows many people because
Because
show
shows
uses
the children
which one? The
It's
show uses children to make money, right? Okay, and the last one?
The writer thinks the problem with reality TV is
Yes,
it is shocking.
The first shocking.
It was cruel. Not first.
It's Kid Nation.
Kid Nation shows
It's
many
a show
people because
to make
they
money.
show using children to make money. They use children. That was the shock situation for viewers because the children, which age was there?
8 to 15.
From 8 years old to 15 years old. That was the shock situation, right? The last one. The writers think that the problem with reality TV is it attracts a big audience.
It is shocking.
It is shocking.
The writer thinks that the problem with reality shows it is shocking, it makes a lot of money, it attracts a big audience. What is that?
It is shocking.
It's shocking, right? So, guys, do you think you have in the text? What do you think? Which grammar structure did you notice from the text? Irregular verbs also. Past continuous. Was where, the past simple, irregular verbs, называть hand there. Aidana and Ivana will go there. And Көркем, Arjan will go there. Do you remember our racing game?
Yes.
Make 2 lines. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Please make 2 lines. So, what are you going to do? Just a bit further. Do you have the space? Guys, everyone. So, I will put the time limit. In 1 minute, you have to put the irregular verbs and regular verbs. One by one. For example, Adina will take this word, the first word, and then after finishing, you go up. Listen to me. Adina will take the first words, and after finishing, go back there. The same Көркем. Each student will take just 1 word. Okay? So don't start. I'm going to put the time limit.
Second form, yes.
So some words there are irregular verbs and regular verbs. You have to identify. 1 minute. I started. Please.
So, second form.
Second irregular verb. I said irregular or regular, right? Okay. That's it, right? No, the time is up. Okay, let me check. So, what is the first one? Show. You did it, right?
Yes.
You corrected it, right?
Did you walk
Leave. Leave. What is the second form? Love. Is that regular or irregular? Win. Try. Yes. Become. Attract. Attracted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you? Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I got it. So the winner is the second form. What is the grade? Thank you. The mistake here is ed, right? And there is which word? Choose. Okay. Take your seat. Great. Now, guys, let's check our understanding. How we actually do the past simple. Do you remember anything about past simple?
Yes.
What is that? When we use past.
When we finish the action.
Okay.
When you have the six.
Which thing?
When we say about the past.
About the past. When you talk about the past, okay. Finish.
When do it in past
Okay, we do it in the past.
What time ago?
When we did it,
The action, or situation that happens in the past, right, Arjan? So, do you remember the formula?
Yes. Subject plus
That's
verb
it.
two, verb second form, verb two.
Verb. No. Are you sure? Subject plus auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb?
Was
What verb?
did
Нет.
Do.
to be
In the
Positive
in English.
When our sentence is positive, we don't use it.
What we use instead?
Verb one.
Verb one. Are you sure?
Yes. When we will do it. Verb
Verb two. What is verb two?
It is irregular past or we add ed.
Irregular verb. The second line.
Yes.
Do, did, buy, bought, take, took. Verb two or ed, right? Ed. Great. Now, can we? What about yes? Kurkan is right. Affirmative sentence we use with affirmative. Give me any subject. She. For affirmative, give me any verb.
She made.
Irregular. She
made.
made.
She
Made.
She made a sandwich.
A cake. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see that? Sorry.
She didn't
She made a cake. That's our affirmative sentence. She is made. Okay.
Object.
Noun. Okay. A article. Wait. What about the negative form of this word? She didn't. Our auxiliary verb goes here. Didn't or did not.
made a cake.
Why make?
Because when we write did, our verb will first form.
Great.
Yes.
When did appears, our verb will go in the first form. It means make. Great. What about the question form?
Did she make
Make. Why make not made?
Because it's a question and the idea with
Ed? Where is ed?
Because we use did and we don't use made.
She made a cake, right? Okay. Now, wait. Guys, let's do exercise number 1 from this page, 24, 35. That's according to your text. You have to fill the gaps in past simple with your in your copybook. In your copybook.
What we have to do, right?
Page number 35 in your copybook. Do exercise number 1 according to the text. You have to find the sentences in the text. Only 2 minutes. I'll give you. have questions? Go ahead. Great. Great. Think about Have you finished? Yes. Okay. I have That's a question, right? Great. Sorry. Wait. Wait. Fold. That's correct. You have finished? Yes. So, great. You don't have questions, right? Fold, subtracted. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. Fold, subtracted. That's the action. Invalid. Great, guys. Now, aha moment. Do you know something? Aha moment. Like shock. It's shock moment, maybe.
The moment when you enjoy.
The moment you.
Relax.
Do you remember the time when you have like aha? Yes.
Get something.
Understand them.
When you realize something.
Realize something. Then.
When you when you learn a new word, when you go to the lesson, you forget about it, and when teacher say,
Okay, I want you to think about some aha moments in this lesson. Like something that you learned, and something the most surprising thing about this lesson. Think about it and tell me. That was the translation. That was the grammar of past simple, right? Auxiliary verb, right? No.
For the lesson that I just
Now, you may just raise your hands and share with your understanding or something that you learned from this lesson.
I said about when you play the game, I forget, I write a search form of
the regular, right? But that was the second form. Why was the second form?
because it's past.
Because it passed. Great job. Others?
When I write the regular word and I'm 12, love it. It's regular.
That's the regular, right? Okay, you just realized at that time, okay? Arushan, Aidana, give me something.
when we
Yes, when we. Think about Aidana, Adina.
When I realized that the word showed, the third form of show was showed.
Okay. Arushan?
I say how when
New.
New way the TV companies will prefer to buy this show.
One more time.
The TV companies pay people to take part.
to take part in this show. You realize that they pay for children? You didn't know that? Okay, that's great. You learned something new, right, about this text. Now, do you want to share something, Martina?
I say aha when I shocked.
When I shocked, you say one more time.
I say aha when I shocked.
Aha, you say aha when you shocked. Okay, why not? Why not?
Teacher, I say
You have a moment? Yes, it's about understanding, right? Great.
I learned about people. I was shocked when I realized that reality shows use children for profit and fun.
Wow, yes, that's the most important part, right? So at least you know now you learned aha moments. So that's your homework, guys. That's your homework. We don't forget about homework. Please write down. Page 35 in student's book. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 2. You have to finish the sentences, right? Okay. So we have like 1 minute. I think we have 1 minute for revising the vocabulary. What is broadcast? Go live. What is attract? To get attention of people. And last point. To get something. What is solve?
When you
Arjun?